Right, I feel like this brand has definitely taken the mantle from Pagani Design for the most controversial on AliExpress. And that is because they seem to not give a damn who they homage. But we are going to give them a chance because this one is not so much. It's definitely one of their brighter watches, we'll say that. This is WM watch. WM watches, is it now? It was Welly Merck. They go by WM now, which I personally think is a slight step up. Okay, they do definitely give you a decent package when you actually get a watch from them. That is a link removal tool. So everything that you need if you are sizing your watch, I guess. I do like these little watch rolls. They're useful, you know what I mean? I like when a watch comes with something that is useful beyond actually opening it and just storing away that box for God knows how long. Okay, straight out of the box. Did I ask for the blue one? I don't know if I did. Maybe I did. Maybe I'm just losing my mind a little bit. It's been in for a little while. So let's have a look at this one. They have a nice textured dial to it. It is bright and, you know, it's coming into summer, so I thought, well, why not? Let's get this unwrapped and take a decent look at it. That was a lot of plastic for one watch. And we still have the blue tag on there. I'll get rid of that for the review. This is their WM247. Now I see this one quite a bit on AliExpress. It's one that pops up a lot. So I think it was about time that I saw what it was all about in person. This one definitely isn't on the cheaper end of that market. So I'm going to tell you the price at the end. First, I'll go over the watch itself. You tell me if you think it is worth that type of money. I am unsure. The bezel, not exactly the best in the world, I'll be honest. It's got that tinny type of feel to it. I'm not a fan of that. We have vertical brushing to the sides. Again, not a fan of that personally. This is packing the NH35 movement. It does have 200 meters water resistance, so we are in that dive range for me. Let me move that around so we can actually see a bit of the dial. I'll get this one in closer. I like that the crown has a little bit of decoration to it with that blue stripe through the center, and the anchor on the second hand is definitely a little bit playful, almost cartoonish, and it goes well with the style of that dial, doesn't it? That wave pattern. Let me get this one in closer. So I think this is actually the least colourful of the three options that they have for this one. They have one with green, they have one with orange. I went for the blue, apparently. I think I did actually go for the blue. I think it was the more subtle one. In my opinion, I thought that'd work out better. I'm not a fan of a Cyclops, but this is a sapphire crystal, and that is a bonus. It's 42 millimeters in diameter, so definitely in that diver type of size. Lug to lug is 48.2 millimeters, and it's 12.4 millimeters thick. Again, dive type of territory. We do have a display case back. Does show off that rather basic NH35 movement. Nothing wrong with it. Absolute workhorse of a movement. And at the budget end of the market, it's all you really need, in my opinion. We have a 5-piece bracelet. Nice little added bit of style, usually for a watch. It's more jewelry-like, but it's not beads of rice, so you know you get away with it on a diver. The wave pattern is quite nice. It's suiting to the watch itself. The handset I'm not sold on, I'll be very honest. I think they're a little bit weird. Obviously they've gone more towards that original looking type of piece. That's added some money to the price of this one. I'll put it on wrist and we'll talk about that. So it does fit quite well. The lug to lug works for me. The size of it works for me. Now, let me tell you, this one is £178 the last time I checked it. I will put an updated price in the corner here for you, but I personally think that is too much for this watch. I always do say for an AliExpress piece, if you're looking at one, then definitely wait for the sale. I'd like to see what this comes down to in the sale and see if it's actually worth it. There's definitely some elements there that help it out. That bezel action does not do anything for me. Unfortunately, it's way too light and doesn't have that diver type of click for me. There's definitely play in it too. The actual grip to it, again, not exactly functional, it's more for style. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this one. Maybe I'm being a little bit too harsh on it. Let me know in the comments down below, and the review will be on the main channel.